Who are you?
Hi, I'm your vaccine. But why are you running away? You should not be scared of me. I'll just come in your body, put a minor virus, and create big antibodies. See, this is the virus that is coming to your body. If you don't get vaccinated, it will become big in your body. But if you get vaccinated, a small virus will come with a lot of antibodies, and it will make it run away and you will not fall sick.
That seems to be nice.
I'm the virus.
Oh, I feel slight sick. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry, I'm here and I will kill it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And one powerful punch, and it's gone.
You killed me.
Wow! I'm so happy. Please get yourself and ask your families to get vaccinated against all the bad viruses.